Sometimes the regular firepower just won't cut it. That's when you break out the big guns. And sometimes the regular firepower is the superior firepower when your opponents haven't updated themselves in thousands of years. By Alex Shvartsman. When your opponent is far advanced, you do what you need to save your family, your country, your planet. In Walls of Nigeria by Jeremy Szal. A berserker has the gift of rage and power that shakes and tears through enemies. From Kate Rauner. The giant weapons aren't always used to protect. Sometimes they enforce. In Augmented Past Real by Liam Burke. Come check out the big guns in these stories and more on 600 Second Saga.